3, 2, 1, whoa. Oh, hey guys, this is Kiro Ramis here. So, I have good news. Windows 7 is back, so hooray! Anyways, I'm not going to hide it. I like going to check it on enter side news first read description. This is before I got the crash Windows 7, but now I fix it. Well, how? I reinstall Windows 7. So anyways, that's for 3, 2, 1, like it. What the heck? What is that? Oh my gosh! What's happened on YouTube? Damn. What the heck? Who is that? Hello? Why you just, why you, this is, I think this is so scary. Oh my gosh! Oh no. What? Excuse me? Oh gosh, no. No, why you just destroyed YouTube? What are you doing here? And dislike. Yes, this one. Why you're watching like and dislike? What are you doing? Hey, don't dislike. Don't dislike. I'm warning you. Don't dislike. Don't dislike. Don't dislike. Why you just dislike? Don't dislike, okay? Don't dislike. Again? Why you just do that? This is so stupid. Hey! Oh my gosh. Where is name? Where is the video name? What the? And don't destroy it. Don't destroy it. Don't destroy it. Hey, where? Oh, good. Where is the video? Oh, it's buffering. Good. This is the sad news that. Hey, why you just destroy the video? That is not nice. And where is? Oh, it's a comment 3. Let's get. Okay. Oh, Superman? What was that? Oh, okay. I want to say good. Okay, stop a video. I think it's okay. Ouch! What are you doing? Eh? But how? Wait, don't type some means of my friend. Don't type some means of my friend. Don't, I told you, I'm warning you. Don't type it. Don't type some mean. Hey! Oh, damn it. I cannot type. Okay, let's click cancel. What the heck? Are you freaking crazy? You are crazy. What are you doing again? Hey, where is comment? Where's the comment? Are you crazy? Where is? Okay, here it is. Good. Oh my God, you are super. Hey, why you just destroyed my icon? That's not funny. Yes, this is a highlighted comment. Why you just destroy it? Oh my God, stupid! You stupid crybaby! You stupid crybaby! Oh, watch out! What is that? Barney OS, Barney Arrow 2. Let's watch. Okay. Hey, what are... Okay, good. Where is the video name?
I will go on Scratch.
Okay.
Wait a minute, what is this? Install Windows 9? No, that cannot be possible. Windows 9 does not exist. They went for...
Yes. It's not...
I shall just leave it.
Wait, what? Uh-oh. Hey! Not again. Uh-oh. Okay. Guys, help me. I can't believe it. I got... I'm done. Wait, I'm done. Okay, 5 minutes. So 5 minutes. I wanted to continue and... Okay, you just destroyed on this power. And do not going to do this. Are you crazy? You just destroy it? That's so not funny. You cannot destroy subscribe. How can I go home? Oh, much better. Go to home. Okay, this one is still there. Let's get the install. Sorry about that, the video recorder. It was enough for 10 minutes.